1. Customer, do you have foundation for oily skin? Shopkeeper, yes, we have several brands for oily skin. 2. Customer, how much is this lipstick? Shopkeeper, it's 350 taka. 3. Customer, is this a long-lasting kajal? Shopkeeper, yes, it lasts for up to 12 hours. Do you have bridal makeup kits? Shopkeeper, yes, we have full sets available. 5. Customer, is this an original perfume? Shopkeeper, yes, it's 100% original and imported. Can I get a matching purse with a scarf? Shopkeeper, sure, I'll show you some options. 7. Customer, do you have bangles for small hands? Shopkeeper, yes, we have different sizes available. 8. Customer, is there any discount on skincare products? Shopkeeper, yes, 15% discount on selected items. 9. Customer, can I exchange this if it doesn't suit me? Shopkeeper, yes, within 3 days with the bill. 10. Customer, do you sell hair accessories too? Shopkeeper, yes, we have clips, bands, and pins.